Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. See, in this video we are going to learn how to create an image by using ChatGPT. See, first launch web browser, then on a search an address bar type www.chatgpt.com. See, already signing and sign up. Already we have learned in the previous videos. If you not watch previous videos, you just watch previous videos and sign into ChatGPT. Okay, now the interface of ChatGPT is going to be opened here. Okay, now by using this interface, we are going to create one of the image. See, if you want to create an image, we are going to use prompt. See, prompt is nothing but we are going to explain. We are going to explain to ChatGPT how my image is going to be created. See, whatever and the my creation, how it is going to be created, this I am going to explain into the chat gpt. This only we are going to call it as prompt. Okay, now before going to enter the prompt, just keep the cursor on search area and start to type the prompt. Means how what we are going to create or how we are going to create that, uh, in deep descriptions we are going to give here. See, for example, I have already created one prompt here. Just I am going to paste it on my ChatGPT search section area. Okay, you can observe here. I have written prompt as create. See here, you can check the prompt. Create a 1 by 7 scale commercialized figure of the character in the illustration in a realistic style and environment. Place the figure on a computer desk using circular, transparent, acyclic base without any text. On the computer screen, display the brush modeling process of the figure. Next to the computer screen, place Bandai style toy packing box printed with the original artwork. See, this is the prompt or this is the code. Means I want to create an image on this basis. See, I want to create a picture by using this prompt. So what I'm going to do now, here there is a plus symbol and the search tag. See, here there is a plus symbol, that is already what we discussed in the previous videos, that is add files. Just I'm going to select the add files, then I'm going to upload. Means I'm going to add photo whatever I want to create. See, here I'm going to select any one of the photo. Okay, here I'm going to upload a picture from my computer. Just click on add photos, then select the location where the picture is there. Okay, here I'm going to select any one of the picture. Just select the picture and click on open. See, now I have selected. Okay, here I am going to upload photo. Just select add photos on file and select the location where the photos has been saved. Now here I am going to select desktop and I am going to add any one of the picture. Just click on the picture and click on open. Now image has been added. Once the image has been added, it is going to be processed to upload. See, once it is upload finished, here there is a happy arrow is going to be ready to send. Now click on that up arrow. Now the chat GPT is going to start whatever the prompt you have given. According to that, the image is going to be created now. See, wait for a while. It will take one few seconds. Then as soon as it completes, it is going to be show the results onto the screen. Wait for a while. Hardly it will take 10 to 20 seconds to generate a image. See now, whatever the prompt I have given and whatever the picture I have uploaded, depending on that, the ChatGPT is going to create my new image. So you can observe here the result is ready. You can observe. See here you can observe I have given the prompt. This is the prompt. That means how the image is going to be created, and deep explanation I have given in my prompt. Then I have uploaded one photo. So depending on this prompt and this photo, now the ChatGPT has been created one of the image. The result you can see here. See, this is the output what I got from ChatGPT. This is the prompt what I have given for that the ChatGPT has been created. So in this way, we are going to create the images by using the ChatGPT. Then if at all you want to download this image, here there is a option to download. See, if I keep the cursor onto the particular photo, I'm going to get the download option. Just to click onto the download, it is going to be downloaded and it is going to be saved under the downloads folder in the computer. And also you can share here directly for wherever you want, through WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, wherever you can share directly from there. So in this way, we are going to create our images by using the ChatGPT, by using the prompt. See, the prompt is very important. Whatever the prompt we are going to give here, depending on the prompt, the ChatGPT is going to be create our images. I hope you have understood very clearly how we are going to create or how we are going to generate images by using the ChatGPT. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.